1989 regional. Ihsa, Illinois. This is from my computer off of my cell, so the quality may not be in there. But Coach Stone and Coach Stone Jr. working at the helm here. I'm recording it back then. 30 is in 30 years ago. That's Howard's number. 54's Gerald. 10 is Devin. 50's Dustin Roberts. And Barney's Craig Barnard. 44. We're down by 8. We make up 8. We should have won by a dozen more. Or no, half a dozen more. Missed 2 layups and free throws. The key part in this game, I'm looking for Schmitty. Takes it on in. Or is that Devino? Yeah. Over to Greg, I think. Back to Watson. Kuntz. There goes Griggs. Sneaky. They were 26-0. Izzy's not in there. He's on the bench. Izzy. Roberts lefty. There's Barnard open down low. Back to Hubbard. Roberts. There it is. Turnaround jumper. Good. Barnard. There's 2 possessions, 2 baskets. We get on a roll here, and it's the key of the game. We come on scoring. One shot and done, boys. Some good defense. I don't know what happened there. Foul somewhere. $41 to 43, maybe. Oh, what was that? Somebody fell down. Barney. Oh, did he get fouled there too? Looked like he got body. We didn't get the calls, I know that for sure. Didn't throughout the whole campaign. He could have took a charge there. Got the boards. Okay, so we missed last time. Or what? I think we did. Yeah, Barney missed. So we're 2 for 3. Shake and bake, Mr. Hubbard. He really started coming on. He's only a junior. He should have had some scholarships, that's for sure. Nope. None of these guys got any. He should have. I look close to a walk. I don't know if they've ever seen a defense like this, so. Trying to go back in there again, turn it over. Okay. They call this a charge, which just broke her back again. Here we're making that would have been 3 out of 4 possessions with the steal. Yeah, like I said, we didn't get many calls. He fell over. Good acting job. But Watson, I think at the time he was getting 3 or 4 fouls at the time. Would have been a big loss. Stole it and got 2, and we didn't get that too. All right, back to the game. So we're 2 for 4. Another block. Get the free throws. We're down by 5. We're 36 to, yeah, we're down 5, down 4, and then down 3. If we make these, we're down by 3. And we just took a charge. Would have been down by 1. Oh my God. I think that's the only one he missed. We're still down by 5. Down by 4. Could have been easily in reach. So he didn't score. That was like 2.5 out of 5. Weak sideboard. They couldn't hit, and we didn't give them too many second chances. That's for sure. Took advantage of it. Down by 4. What? Devino's charged on a pick up here. You want to see it? I barely touched him. You want to see it again? Devino coming over. There's nothing there. How can that? He's trying to set a pick and didn't even materialize, so he shifted out of the way. Touched him with his hand, and that's another offensive possession. There's a walk. Didn't call that one. Looked like he walked there too. Okay, down by 6. Maybe this is where we get hot. So we're 2.5 for 6. Yeah, there it is. And 2.5 for 6. It's 3.5 for 7. If he makes it, could be 4 out of 7 on possessions. I think this last streak right where we're going right here is where we scored 5 times in a row. And we just outplayed them at all. We had 2 charges, missed a free throw too. Stole the ball. We moved or something. Hudson couldn't hit that one. I think he made it. Don't think I got it, but I think he got it. Are we down 4? One and done. There we go. Another one. I think we had one. I think we're down 2 now. It's a 4-point stretch. Down 1. Sorry, I'm backing it up. I want to see. I think it's 43 to 42. There. 43, 42. Yeah. He hadn't called timeout. That was a nice block. Something happened in there. Just call it on us. Oh, it's on him? No, it's on us. I'm surprised they hadn't called a timeout. They did call a timeout there. They had used all three of them in the first half. It was crazy. He had to. They were on a string. 43-42, 2 minutes left. All right, I'm ending at that because I think that's where it took off one time. Yep, I did on the first clip.